Stop calling the Mach-E a Mustang. What's up, guys, and welcome back to Opposite Lock on Counter Steer Garage. Today, we're going to talk about the Mustang Mach-E and why it's not a freaking Mustang. The Ford Mustang has been an iconic American muscle car since its debut in 1964. It's known for its big, powerful V8 engine, rear-wheel drive, relative lightweight, and unmistakable design. For a lot of people, the Mustang is more than just a car. It's a symbol of Americana, of freedom, of Carroll Shelby, of Ford. It's the original pony car. What it isn't is a marketing ploy. Today, the Ford Mustang is a two-door coupe, and it's available with a really mean-sounding Turbo 4 or a big honkin' V8 engine. In its top-level trim, that GT500 sports a supercharged dual overhead cam V8, destroying the rear tires with 760 horsepower and 634 pound-feet of torque. Now let's take a looky at the Mach-E. It's a fully electric, all-wheel drive SUV. It is a complete departure from the Mustang formula. It's got 5 doors. It weighs 5,000 Freedom units. That's 2,200 kilos. And it's got speakers behind the rear bumper to simulate engine noise. Ford, if you're listening, I don't care how many burnouts you guys do in the commercials. This car was built for Costco runs. Now, don't take this as me going full boomer on you guys, upset that Ford has tarnished the Mustang name. In all honesty, I'm upset on behalf of the Mach-E. 480 horsepower, 634 foot-pounds of torque, 1 G of acceleration, 0 to 60 in 3.6, and the quarter mile in 12.6. The Mach-E is a great EV. The Mach-E is a great SUV. The Mach-E is a great car. What it isn't is a Mustang. Calling the Mach-E a Mustang is doing it a disservice because it's a great car in its own right, and it deserves its own name. The automotive industry is filled with this badge-engineered marketing ploy bullshit, and it's gotta stop. Automakers' marketing departments are playing with our emotions, with our nostalgia, and they're churning out absolute hot garbage. I'm talking cars like the Mitsubishi Eclipse, which is an SUV for some reason, and the Corolla Cross, which is just a small RAV4. Pick a different name! I'm not mad about these cars. I'm sure there's a buyer for them. I'm sure there's a segment that they fit in. But just stop riding the coattails of a successful model name. People buy these cars for what they are, not for what they're named. That's it for today. Thanks for sticking around as we discuss the Mach-E and all the other cars with overly ambitious marketing teams. If you made it this far, you are an absolute legend. What do you think? Is the Mach-E a Mustang, or is it just marketing? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe as I expand my creative landscape here on the tube. I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday.